Hello Forex trader. In this video, we will show you how to download and install Expert Advisors. First, you need to log into your account on stevedollar.com. This is the ID that you have registered with the broker and has been approved by Steve Dollar, which it will automatically run with the EA once it's installed. To download the EA, you need to go to Download. Then you will see these are the Expert Advisors that we provide. Pick the one that you want. For example, I will choose Steve Dollar Money Action. Save. Once it's downloaded, open it in folder. Then extract files. Then you will see Expert include libraries, instructions, and video instruction guides. Next step is to go to MT4 program that you have already downloaded. Click File, Open Data Folder, MQL4. Then minimize the MT4 windows. Now that you have both files open, click Export on both. Copy file from EA and paste it on MQL4. Back. Then both files click Include. Copy file from EA and paste it on MQL4. Back. And then libraries on both. Copy files from EA again and paste it on MQL4. Then you can close both folders. Last step is to get back on MT4 window. And on your right side, you will see Expert Advisors. Right click and refresh. Then you will see that you have Steve Dollar Money Action installed. And there's two ways to set the EA to run. 1. Manually set at each time you drag EA into the graph. And 2. Automatically set in the program. Let me show you the first way. Drag EA into the graph, go to Common, click Allow Live Trading, allow DLL imports, and OK. Then wait for it to work. The EA status to say working. Now let me show you the second way. By going to Tools, Options, Expert Advisors, and click Allow Automated Trading and allow DLL imports and OK. Now every time that you drag the EA into the graph, it will automatically work. Click OK. Then wait for it to work. The EA status will say working. If it's not working, that means your ID was not registered through our link. Thank you very much.